So I'm supposed to be doing a video today on how some Microsoft shareholders are pushing for them to take a more positive stance on right to repair. That's what I'm supposed to be doing today. I kind of want to go down there, but I have a feeling if I try to from here, there's like a 50-50 chance that I'm dead. Like 50% chance if I go slow and I have a hook, I can go down there. Other 50% chance I'm dead. But it's very tempting. I really do want to try. Anyway, that's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something. Alright, I found a set of stairs down here. This is cool. This is really cool. Yeah, I figured going down with the stairs was a better idea than jumping off over there and falling to my death. My dad and stepmom elected to stay up there. After 7 surgeries and 2 knee replacements, he did not want to walk down all of the stairs, so I'm taking a video so that he can see what it looks like. This is cool. I think this is Lake Michigan over here. Oh, beautiful scenery. That's Samsung right here, making all these leaves look far more vibrant and green than they are. So this is my hand. My hand is white, but it's making it red. Interesting, but probably have to turn some weird setting off, but man, this looks so cool. Look at that. Nice clear sky. There's a bunch of fog up ahead, but that kind of makes it look even cooler. Yeah, I'll talk about Microsoft and right to repair tomorrow. See y'all later.